Once more. Yeah, you can start. You can take that high. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramartini Ramyakavartini Shailasute Aishadaganda Vibhandaka Gunda Vibhundika Sundaka Radhipate Vidugajaganda Vidarana Chanda Parakrama Sunda Vimadipate Nijabhujaganda Vibhagita Sunda Vibhagita Gunda Karadhipate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramartini Ramyakavartini Shailasute Airana Gurvada Shatruva Dodika Durjara Nirjara Shakti Dute Chatura Vichara Durina Mahashiva Dutadhamavadipate Durita Durita Durasaya Durmati Anava Durjate Kantamate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramartini Ramyakavartini Shailasute One, you will stop, okay? And I've got individual singers. Priya will sing that. Very good. Lakshmi is singing, right?
Next one.
Yeah. Same thing.
Yeah,
Sing.
please.
Sing. Okay, there should be no gap, alright? Immediately after the 5 you have to start. And after she finishes you have to start.
The
No
same
gap
stanza
after that.
again.
Okay, now she'll sing. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramartini Ramyakavartini Shailasute. Stop. Hari Sharanagata Hari Which one? 9. You're singing 8, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The numbers are different. You know, when I printed in Sanskrit, it's different. English is different. Doesn't matter. Whatever you're singing, you're singing. All right. Sing the 8th now. Whatever.
Ranu Ranu Shankara